Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to install the Jefftron Leviathan Anti-reversal latch onto my ASG Scorpion EVO. The reason you want to install this is so you can use your active braking, pre-cocking, and for your DSG builds. The tools that I'm going to be using today is a Dremel and a permanent marker. I'll have a link in the description for the Dremel that I have. To install this, we're going to have to sand down this part of the gearbox. The left side is going to be flush with this port, and the right side we're going to take just a little bit off. Before I begin, I'm going to first mark off where I'm going to sand down. Now I'm going to take the Dremel and sand down where I marked. Also, these are 2 bits I'm going to be using. Alright, with the gearbox done, now we have to bend this spring 90 degrees so it catches the ledge. To install it, we put the screw in with the hole facing up. And then slide on the lever with the spring. You should now hear the lever clicking on the bevel gear. It should no longer be able to turn it clockwise. For the finishing touches, now we have to glue the screw down to prevent it from turning. You can use super glue or red Loctite. So I'm planning to build this Scorpion EVO for precocking, and I want to give you an example what precocking do.